right, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. This is Tommy with the Gallery Backyard Barbecue, and this is a hashtag peanut butter collab. Alrighty, we got a bunch of other YouTube channels. Just follow the hashtag and check them out. Right now, let's listen to the sizzle. Alrighty, and there's the sizzle, and I guess you could see where I'm going with this cook. This is a fried banana and peanut butter. Okay, this is done stove top. As I got a new stove, you can use a frying pan if you'd like, or even the flat top outside. Of course, first up we flour our bananas. Give them a nice saute. 2-3 minutes, and they should look something like this. Give those a quick flip. There you go. Little more butter, of course. How about we drop a little brown sugar down? A little brown sugar. We're gonna almost make a like a caramel. How about we drizzle a little vanilla extract on these bananas to assist in our caramel. How about a little powdered sugar? And a little more butter to get that caramel going. And of course, let's drop down some peanut butter. Use your favorite peanut butter. I believe this is Peter Pan. And we'll get a good melt on that peanut butter before we plate it up. And this is a pretty peanut buttery, banana-y, gooey delight. Alrighty, and that'll about wrap up this hashtag peanut butter. Follow the hashtag to see the other dishes. And I want to thank all my subscribers as usual. Probably got one more dish coming this weekend, so stay tuned for that, and have a good day.